Wildcard bins. You know that a Systemverilog variable can take four different values like an x, z, 1 and 0. And by default, a value or a transition bin definition can specify any of these four state values. So that means you can specify to cover a particular variable which is covering a state z or state x. When a bin definition includes an x or z, it indicates that the bin count should only be incremented when the sampled value has exactly matching with x or z in the same bit position. Or in other words, here the comparison is done using the triple equal to symbol operation in Verilog, which will compare for the match of x and z also. Now, if you are specifying a bin as a wildcard bin, then this comparison, that is a comparison against x or z, or as this particular symbol will be treated as a don't care or a wild. In simple words, in a wildcard bins, the bit positions which are represented by using x, z or this question mark symbol will be ignored and it will not be checked against the match. Now you will see an example here. See the cow group bus values, the cow point ADDR range, and we are sampling the ADDR value, which is a 4-bit variable. And here I have specified the bin high range as wildcard bin. This is a keyword. Wildcard is a Systemverilog keyword. Again, bins is a Systemverilog keyword. So this is the name of the bins, and here it is given as the list, the range value list given. It is, you can see that is 4-bit 1 1. Then these two bit positions are again given represented using this question mark symbol. So it means these two bit position can take any value. So in order to check whether this particular bin is hit or not, these two bit positions are ignored and not compared as they are specified as a wildcard bin. So here the count of the bin, this one will be incremented when the sampled variable is between 12 and 16. That means when the variable is 1100 or 1101 or 1110 or 1111. For all these values, this the hit count of this high range will be incremented. This is a very useful construct when sometimes you are interested in only a portion of a large bus or a large signal, and you are not really caring about other portion of the bus. In the same way, the wildcard bins can be specified for the transition bins also. So here in this example, the wild bin is specified as a wildcard using the wildcard keyword, and this is the name of that bin, and this is a transition given. You can see that the transition is given like 2-bit 0x to 2-bit 1x. So instead of x, you can use z or this question mark symbol. So effectively all are same. So this means that this is listing a transition from 0 to 1 0, then 0 0 to 1 1, 0 1 to 1 0, and 0 1 to 1 1. So this is equivalent to listing all the transitions like listed here.